Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Excel 2021 Skill Approaches Chapter 4 Skill Review Simulates. So, if you want to complete similar project Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So, I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So, assignment title is Excel 2021 Skill Approaches Chapter 4 Skill Review, and we move to the main project steps. So, total step is 26, and we move to the question number 1. So, question number 1 is open the starter file Excel 2021 Skill Review. The file will be renamed automatically, include your name, and change the project file name if directed to do so by your instructor, and save it if the workbook protected it, and click the enable editing button. If the message bar top the workbooks, you can modify the worksheets. So go to the Excel worksheets. I have already downloaded the Excel 2021 Skill Review approaches 4.1, and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is rename the sheet and change the color of the sheet tab. So right click the sheet 1 tabs, right click the sheet 1 tab, so go to the sheet 1 tab, and next is choose the rename and type the file 103. So copy the sheet name and right click the rename and paste the worksheet name, and next is part C is right click the sheet tab against point tab color and blue and 1/5 color in the first row of the theme. So right click the sheet tab again. So right click the sheet tab again and tab color blue and 1/5 color in the first row of the theme. So blue and 1 tab color, right click and click the tab color blue and 1, click OK. So question number 3 is complete, and we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is right click sheet tab and select the move or a copy to open the move or a copy dialog in the before sheet box, and select the sheet 2. So right click sheet tab and move or a copy, open the move or a copy dialog box, and before the sheet box selected it sheet 2. So right click and click the move or copy, and click the create a copy, and in the before the sheet box and select the sheet 2. Select the sheet 2 and click the create a copy checkbox and click OK. So click the create a copy, click OK. So next is name the new sheets file 104, and then change the tab color. Right click the new sheet, is choose the name and press enter. So copy the sheet name, right click and click the rename and sheet name, and next is right click the sheet tab again and point to tab colors and green accent 6. So right click in the sheet tab, right click the sheet tab again and point to the tab color green accent 6. So right click and go to the tab color as green accent 6, click OK. So question number 5 is complete, and we move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is group the sheet and so you can formatting the changes both sheets and click the FN 103 and press hold to the click the Fine 104 sheet tabs. No any change the made one sheet will be made to both sheets. So select the group worksheets, both the group worksheet, and verify the group the title bar indicating the selected sheet or group. And now question number 7 is research the column A in the both worksheet at once best fit the data by double clicking the right border of the column heading. So research the column A and select the column A, double click the column A, apply the autofit column. So question number 7 is complete and we move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is add a header and footer to both worksheet at once and switch the page layout view clicking the page layout buttons in the status bar. So page layout view in the clicking the page layout button. So go to the page layout tabs and click in the center section page layout button and center section and on the header and footer groups element and click the file name on the header and footer tab in the header and footer element groups and click the file name buttons, the file name centers section of the header and click the somewhere else name your file section header and go to the header and go to the footer buttons. So click the center sections, go to the payload tabs and click the header and footers and click the custom headers. So on the header and footers in the file name button in the centers in the header and footers groups in the file name buttons the code in the file name enter the centers in the file name button and the next is center the section the code file will be centers section somewhere less in the name your file the code in the files insert the file in the section center section somewhere less display name your file names and next is click the right section of the header and type your own name in the header and footer groups and click the go to the footer button click the right section header and the type your own name so right section in the type your own name and next is go to the footer so click go to the footer button click OK and click the custom footers and custom footer click the center section the footer and header and footer in the sheet name in the footer in the sheet name and sheet code so insert the sheet name in the section user slabs and sheet name in the on the header and footers elements groups and click the current date header and footer elements current date button header and footer elements and current the and footers, elements and current date button in the current display. So insert the current date. Click OK and again OK. And click anywhere cell in the worksheet and click the normal button in the status bar and click the normal button. So next is question number 9 is ungroup the sheets by clicking the sheet to verify the same formatting was applied both sheets and they are now ungrouped. So right click and click the ungroup the worksheets. Group the worksheet and so question number 9 is complete and we move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is apply the retrospect theme to the workbook on the page layout tab in the theme groups and click the theme button to display the theme gallery. Notice that you put mouse pointer over each option to theme Excel and update the worksheet. Display the live preview theme and click the retrospect option. So apply the retrospect option theme. So go to the page layout tabs and go to the theme groups. And apply the retrospect theme colors. So click the theme and retrospects, click OK. So question number 10 is complete and we move to the question number 11. So question number 11 is select the FIN 103 sheets. It can be difficult to work with the such a wide worksheet and scroll to right see end of the semester and you can go the longer see student name, split the screen into two views and click the D1 on the view type window groups and click the split button. Now you can scroll each of the separately but it is still the same worksheet and you can drag the splits bars to right of the left needed and scroll the show student names and last few weeks of the semester on your screen and click the split button again and return the normal. So click the D1. So go to the cell D1 on the FIN 103 and select the D1. Go to the view tabs. So go to the view tab and window groups and click the split button. So select the D1 and click the split and next is scroll student name in the last week in semester and click the split button and return the normal. So split the worksheet and remove the split button. So question number 11 is complete and we move to the question number 12. So question number 12 is insert the new row, add the new student list and right click on the row heading for row number 9 and select and click the insert. So right click the row heading row 9. So row 9 right click and insert. So insert the new row. Insert option buttons appear immediately and right clicks and format as a follow. Format is same as below. Enter the new student name is to the Abraham listener. So paste the name and next is enter the student ID. So copy the student ID and paste student ID, press enter. So question number 12 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete similar project, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.